Yes, my overall experience with exterior, Paradise exterior windows was wonderful. I mean, I really enjoy them. I mean, my energy calls, I could see a difference. Even with the windows in, no air blowing nowhere around them. So the overall experience is wonderful. Oh, Justin, he was wonderful, wonderful, very, very helpful, and in the process of getting, and going over thoroughly, what to expect, and showing me the demonstration with the windows and everything. I mean, A+ for me. I'm loving them, loving them. I'm getting so many compliments from neighbors and friends, and I just love them. They were very, very good. I tell you, they got in there and they went to work, and I mean, they were superior in what they was doing. Very, very professional about it. Paradise exterior windows is the way to go.